Hi, in this program, we're going to look at how we can add comments to our code to help make it more legible and more easy for others to understand. So first of all, our program works fine without our comments. So from a functionality perspective, we can see that Carol can go ahead and jump our 2 hurdles and make it to the end of the world. But what we want to do is we want to add comments to help others understand it and read it better. So let's look at adding a few comments here. So our first comment at the top is going to be adding a comment to tell us what the program does. Now notice when I started with a /*, it turns everything green because JavaScript thinks that my whole program is now a comment. So I'm going to actually put an ending comment there just so that we turn our program back to what it's supposed to look like. Now one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put stars here in the middle, and those are just optional. They don't actually do anything, but they give it a little bit more style and help me understand what I'm doing a little bit better and just make it a little bit neater to read. So let's go ahead and add a comment. So we're going to say this program has Carol jump over 2, then I'm going to put another star there, hurdles, and run to the end of the world. Okay, and again, these extra stars don't actually do anything, but they give it a little bit more style. Now when I come to my functions down here, I'm going to do something similar, but I'm going to add preconditions and postconditions. So my precondition is basically the state that I'm in before I run this function. So in this case, Carol has jumped the last hurdle and is facing east. That's my precondition for running to the finish. Now that postcondition is that Carol has run all the way to the end of the world. Okay, I'm going to add a few more comments into these other functions. So let's take a look at these other functions now. So again, my run to hurdles, I have a precondition and a postcondition. Now one other thing I can do is I can also add a precondition and a postcondition and a description if I want to my functions to help us know what we're doing. So for example, the jump hurdle says this function has Carol jump over a hurdle that is 1 row high. And the precondition that is Carol standing in front of the hurdle facing east. And the postcondition is Carol's jumped the hurdle and facing east. Now it's important to know that Carol faces east before and after, so that when I'm writing my program up here, I know that I don't have to necessarily turn Carol at all. Carol's already facing the right direction as soon as it gets to that hurdle. And finally, with this turn right function, you don't necessarily know which direction you're going to face beforehand or after, so we're just going to include a simple function right there to tell us what we're going to do. Now I can also put single line comments in. Our single line comments, remember, start with 2 slashes. So I can say something like, this program has Carol jump 2 hurdles. Now notice here, nothing turns green afterwards because the code ignores the next line. It only puts a comment on this line and it immediately jumps to the next line without having to end the comment. So these are single line comments. They comment out the rest of the line, and these are multi-line or block comments. So now it's your turn to have fun.